Hi guys, Ron here again. As we get older, climbing in and out of a tub to take a shower is a dangerous activity. My wife convinced me we really needed to change our bathtubs for stand-up showers, and that's what we did, and it turned out pretty good. So I'll walk you through what we did here. All right, so this is our master bathroom, and you can see that area is exactly where the bathtub used to be, and built up this short wall. The opening on top allows light in to make it nicer inside the shower. We also had a light put in, or actually I put it in, and the shower head comes straight down, and so that's a nice rain shower, which we like that effect. One of the nice things about this wall is on the inside, we put some little niches for holding shampoo, shower dish, and small niches for wash rags and nail brush and so on. In this bath, we used cement and PVC liner to create a waterproof pan. To get the pitch right so that all the water drains down towards the drain, we use these plastic guides. They're tapered to just the right pitch and help get a nice base with the cement before you put down the plastic liner. Here's a stock photo of a guy laying down the cement with the plastic guides in place. Here's another stock photo showing the PVC liner creating the waterproof pan. One thing you'll notice is that the floor has small tiles and not the large tiles. That's really important because the grout between the tiles really gives you a non-slip surface. If you just use these big tiles, you'd have a slippery surface, and pretty much defeat the purpose of going away from the bathtub. So in the back bath off the master bedroom, we did something very similar. You could see the dimensions here, the short wall with the opening at top, the 4x4 posts going top from the ceiling down to the floor for support, and the pan inside. You'll notice also that this one's a little shorter. This is a 54-inch tub that was taken out, and that's the dimension between the walls. The first bath, the bath was a little larger. It was a 60-inch tub. And from the inside looking out, again, very similar because the short wall is also a little narrower. The niche layout's a little different. So we have one large niche, with a small niche below it, and then a soap dish. Here, from the outside looking in, you can see how the niches fit between the studs of the short wall. In this bath, we tried something a little different. We tried a tile-ready pan, which basically is all set with the correct slope towards the drain and ready for tile, which seemed like it would be an easier install than the cement and PVC liner. In the end, I'd have to say, if I had to do it again, I would go back to the PVC liner. You can see we actually had to cut away at the dam on the outside edge in order to accommodate our short wall. As you can see here, we actually had to remove a cross brace in the wall in order to give us the room needed to turn the pan before setting it down. Here you can see this is the cross brace we had to take out in order to be able to turn the pan to set it down. Of course, the drain wasn't in the exact same location as the towel-ready pan, so we had to move the drain as well. In the end, my wife and I are both pretty happy the way things turned out. And yeah, I'd call the project a complete success.